So for Korea, we've seen a huge amount of growth in volumes, especially with the launch of the Next Trade platform as an alternative venue to access Korean liquidity. Some of the barriers to entrance are limited space and power in the local co-location sites across Korea. Many of those sites started as commercial buildings which converted into data centers, which poses some particular challenges in Korea. What we've done is scale our infrastructure that connects Korea back to Japan and Hong Kong, providing low latency access across those markets as a cross-regional hub, giving access both to equities and derivatives for Korea. Korea has also seen in the last 24 months, a huge demand for access to US equities. So we've had many firms use our fractional model to access US liquidity from Korea, both using our hosting and fractional model and our connectivity, both transatlantic and trans-Pacific. India, some of the biggest barriers for entry are certainly for non-member firms. Member firms are quite well catered for within the exchange colos. Some of the regulations now make it challenging for non-member firms. What we've done is deploy our infrastructure in proximity sites very close to the exchange colos. We're working on models now within the exchanges to deploy our infrastructure within those exchange colos. So growing demand from buy sides who are not exchange members has caused us to look at our infrastructure within India and make adjustments to make sure that we're able to provide access to those markets for our international customers. Equally, we're seeing demand from clients within India who want to access international liquidity, US markets primarily, but we're starting to see interest in European markets. Japan has some cultural nuances and regulatory landscape that can be challenging for firms that don't have experience of Japan. What we can provide is the local expertise and domain knowledge to help navigate entry into a nuanced market such as Japan with boots on the ground. We've been there for decades. In some of the major markets across Asia, so in Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, and Australia, also in Korea and India, we've deployed turnkey fractional infrastructure to allow customers to both test and deploy trading strategies on a fractional model, so providing both connectivity, market access, and compute power within those exchange colos that meet local regulatory requirements.